Okay, let's see what happens. So just to give you a bit of a rundown on this, I purchased this and wow, it wasn't working. We had slight display lights here and here. It wouldn't eject, none of the functions worked, and I knew it was a really, really good unit, so I bought it, paid like $480 for it. And it turns out that it had a couple of faulty resistors in the power supply, which literally just shut everything down. And as you can see, when I first plugged it in, it was lighting up. So this is the first test. So here we go, it's on. The door opens, wow, I wasn't even getting that before. Try a tape. And away we go. So I haven't connected any speakers to this. I'm just showing you guys the unit and what we've actually got going on. That's pretty damn awesome. Wow, that's impressive. Sorry about these reflections, can't do much about that. Wow, that's pretty cool.